Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check Honda Odyssey transmission fluid. Start with the engine warmed to operating temperature and the vehicle parked on level ground. Open the hood and locate the transmission dipstick, which may be labeled and easier to find with a flashlight. Use a clean rag to wipe the dipstick, reinsert it fully, then pull it out to read level and inspect fluid color for clarity and odor. Begin by letting the engine idle and ensuring the vehicle remains level and steady. Remove the transmission dipstick, wipe it clean, then reinsert it completely before pulling it out again to check the level. Compare the fluid against the dipstick markings to confirm it sits within the safe range. Look closely at the fluid's color and smell. Clear red fluid is healthy, while dark or burnt-smelling fluid may indicate trouble. If the fluid looks dark, smells burned, or contains particles, schedule a service soon to prevent further damage. Refer to your owner manual for recommended intervals and decide between a fluid change or a professional flush based on contamination. Watch for leaks, slipping, or harsh shifting as signs that immediate attention is needed, because catching problems early can save you from expensive repairs later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.